I got like 2 hour stretch where it's like 45 degrees, partly sunny. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. I don't care how much grease you put on it. These nylon rollers wear out after about 10 years, and they go screechy, screechy, screech. Especially on the power doors on the Odyssey. So, alrighty, I gotta stop talking and get to work. And video proof, yeah. Smooth as butter. Doesn't get jammed. Yeah, don't pack the rails with grease. If you're going to pack them with grease, use silicone grease, because if you use petroleum-based grease, it's going to eat those nylon rollers and turn them into goo, as you saw.